Let's make product manipulation. Bring a background and adjust it. Apply color balance and adjust its values. Bring a product in PNG and apply mask to remove some parts. Take a new layer and use brush to make shadow. Bring a bee in PNG and apply mask to remove some parts. Now make a shadow of bee with brush. Clip a new layer to product and brush to give bee a shadow. Clip another layer to product brush with yellow and put dot blend mood to overlay. Bring honey stick and brush to make shadow. Bring a flower with bee and apply color balance on it. Make a copy of flower and adjust on other side. Brush with green on BG and put blend mood to overlay. Thank you for watching.